In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shapes to a mind map in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. To get started, open the Confluence page or Jira issue where you want to add a shape to an existing draw.io mind map. In this example, I'll be showing the process inside a Confluence page, but the overall workflow is very similar in Jira as well. The main idea is that you first need to access the page or issue where the diagram already lives so you can edit it directly. Once you're inside the page editor, find the mind map you want to update. Click on the mind map to select it, and you should see a floating toolbar appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the draw.io diagram in a pop-up window inside Confluence, giving you access to the full editing interface. If you're working with a detailed mind map, it can help to take a quick look at the area where you want to place the new shape before making changes, just so your layout stays organized. In the Draw.io editor, move your attention to the left-hand panel. This is where you'll find the Shapes and Connectors library. If that panel isn't visible, don't worry. You can bring it back by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and K on your keyboard. You can also use the top menu by clicking View and then selecting Shapes. Once the panel is visible, browse through the available shape categories. Some sections may be collapsed, so expand them as needed until you find the shape you want to use. When you've found the right shape, click and drag it onto the canvas, then release it where you want it to appear in your mind map. After placing it, you can fine-tune it to fit your diagram. Use the resize handles around the shape to make it larger or smaller. If you want to rotate it, use the rotation handle near the top right area of the shape. You can also click and drag the shape itself to reposition it anywhere on the canvas. If you want to customize the look of the shape, make sure it's selected and then check the panel on the right-hand side. That's where you'll find formatting options, which let you adjust the appearance to better match the rest of your mind map. And that's all it takes. Once your shape is added and positioned the way you want, your mind map is updated and ready to go.